Brad Williams, XL Prime, add Ben's first three golf scores. First three. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, let's take a look here. We have a bunch of players. We have golf scores. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 5 for an F9 kind of deal here. So this is going to be random. So are these scores. Doesn't matter. We have players here. We're going to have to identify Ben. And then ultimately, we want the score of his first three. Let's look here. We have this nice orderly combo. Sequence, filter, index, sum. Well, it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Sequence. What are we going to sequence? We want 3 scores. 3 scores. Rows. Sequence allows you to generate a list of sequential numbers in any array. We're going to look at 3, starting at row 1, column 1, in steps of 1. Then we're going to filter. We're going to filter score, name range, score, C5, C14. Filter, our array is going to be that score. Then we're going to have this include deal. If we go in here, we're going to see this array, and then we're going to include. See that? We're going to look at index, and there's our array, and there's our row number. There's our row numbers. Keep that in mind. It's going to give us our 3 rows based on our array. Based on our index array, we're going to get this, and then sum is just going to total them up. Let's look at this array, F9. We're going to see 8, 6. This is based on Ben. We define Ben here. Right here, score, our include in the filter is name equals Ben. We're just going to look at this here, score, and then name. We're just going to package it all up and throw it over into index. The index is going to look at this going, thanks for throwing this stuff over. 8, 6, 8, 6, 7, 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 6, 8, 9, and 7, 2. This is what's happening. We have this array, and then we have this row number. F9, it's going to go, well, I want 1, 2, 3. Why? Because in sequence, that's what we stated we wanted. Then index is just going to go the first 3. It's going to go 8, 7, 86, 79, 86. And sum is ultimately just going to go in here and sum them up. And it's going to give us whatever that number is. Number, F9. What it's doing is it's looking at the first row, and then it's going to take 86, 79. What's the last number? And that's what it's doing. It's looking at this sequence deal. The row numbers 1, 2, 3. And it's going 1, 2, 3. To confirm this, look at Ben. Here's our total. Here is the first 3 scores. Ben, 71, 76, 95, 242, 242, hit F9. And you can see we have proof. Brad Williams, XL Primed.